Reclaim your energy and amplify your performance with self care strategies in project management. Hey, family, do you mind if I tell you a story? There was a group of mountaineers climbing, set on this huge peak, and eventually climbing in three groups. Group one, they were weary, disheartened. They even turned back, finding the journey too strenuous. Then there was group two. The group two, they contended on getting to the top of the air where the air was in the sun, and they enjoyed sandwiches and they sang, opting to stay where they are, or I should say, were. Then there was this interesting group called Group Three. Group Three, they were true mountaineers. They fixed their eyes on the summit, pressed on, pushed through all the challenges, and reached the top of the peak. Listen, family, in life, we're often going to find ourselves in one of these three moods. And in these three moods, we have to make a decision. Are we going to be Group One, Group Two, or Group Three when we're going after our goals?